In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp call link option not showing. First thing you have to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. The calling feature is only available in the supported versions of the app, so keeping WhatsApp updated is important. Next thing you want to do is restart your device and open WhatsApp again. A simple restart and refresh the app can help new release features appear correctly. Next thing you want to do is make sure you are using the calls tab in WhatsApp. The call link option is typically found at the top of the call section. If you don't see it, try switching between tabs, close the app completely and reopen it. You should also check your internet connection, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as WhatsApp may need to communicate with its service before new features become available. If you're using an outdated operating system, update your device to the latest available version. For that, launch settings. Now head over to the option General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, launch WhatsApp, navigate to U page, click on the option Chats, click on Chat Backup. Now click on Backup now. After you do this, close this. Now completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. Also keep in mind that WhatsApp often rolls out new features gradually. Even if you are using the latest version, the calling option may not be available for every account immediately. If that's the case, you will need to wait until WhatsApp enables the feature for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.